Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY. Okay, guys, so say you're out hiking, you're fishing, you're hunting, you're out working in the field in the construction industry, or say you're using your phone and you're trying to videotape and record something, but your battery goes dead. Well, what do? They've got a lot of little portable battery chargers out there. Some of them are okay. They're usually kind of painful to deal with. You usually have a lot of cords and a lot of just painful things to be able to get your phone charged again. So, what makes this different? Well, first of all, guys, I'm going to tell you it's made the size of a regular phone, feels almost the same, but it's very rugged. So I can take this anywhere, has straps to strap it on the backpack, strap it onto your tool bag, strap it onto your belt loop, and you can carry this all over the place. But what's really cool is if you look at it, it has a solar panel on the front. So this gives you 3 ways to charge this battery pack up. And it gives you 2 ways to be able to charge the battery to your phone or charge your phone from the battery, however you want to say it. And let me explain. The first way I can charge the unit is through the solar panel. So if I'm out hiking, camping, fishing, there's no power anywhere around, I can set this out and it will charge itself back up. Now I will tell you it's not lightning fast doing that. It takes a little while. So if you do have power around, you have connectors here at the bottom, USB-C, USB, and I have a lightning port on the bottom, but you are going to charge it with the USB-C and it will charge it up much faster. So I have that option. I also have one more. I have the magnetic connector on the back where I can charge wirelessly. So that is really kind of a cool thing as well. So overall, guys, it's a great little system to be able to help you out. In my case, I do a lot of construction work, and a lot of times I will film that with my phone. My phone will go dead and I'm stuck. Well, with the lightning port, I can tie in or I can magnetically connect, and I have power back to my phone quickly. Because a lot of times, if I'm going to go try to charge this back, I've got to run all the way over to where there's power, charge it, wait a while, then I can come back and film. With this, I can tie in even if I want to use the cord, strap this to the side somewhere with the little strap that they give you right here. And guess what, guys? I have power. A couple of the things they do give you on here, guys, by the way, they do give you a free little compass, which I like. And there's one other little emergency type feature to this that is really cool. The little power button on this is right here on the side in one of the bumpers. And what you're going to do is you're simply going to hold it down and the light comes on. And now you have an emergency light that you can use to actually help yourself out if you're out somewhere and you don't have light, especially if the light on your phone doesn't work because the power just went out. So it's a really nice little device. I think it's great. I think it's very rugged made, and I definitely think it would come in handy. And if I was going to rate this on a scale of 1 to 5, I'd have to give it 5 stars because I think it does everything they say it's going to do and more. And it's so much better made in person than what I expected. So do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today. I don't think you'll regret it. And we'll see you guys on the next review.